Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for March 20th. We're looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This pair closed higher during today's session, overall moving sideways. We're looking for it to potentially go as high as 84.01, possibly as low as 83.08. Look for some resistance around 83.95 and look for some support around 83.31. Now the pound US dollar pair, it closed down, created an inside bar. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 133.15, possibly as low as 131.01. Look for some resistance around 132.95 and look for some support around 131.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down. It also created an inside bar. We're looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 159.25, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 158.15. Okay, let's look at the Swiss. Swiss closed up barely. It created an inside bar as well. Very low volume day today. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9203, possibly as low as 0.9051. Look for some resistance around 0.9175 and look for some support around 0.9069. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have a few news announcements. At 5:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the pound releasing their bank minutes. Then a little bit later at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we have the UK budget presented by Parliament, or to Parliament rather. Both of those should probably not move the market due to the fact that the numbers have already been released. Then we have a little bit later at 5:45 p.m. Eastern, we have the New Zealand gross domestic product being released for the fourth quarter as well as the year. The fourth quarter is showing a decrease from 0.8% to 0.6%. Year to date, though, they're showing an increase from 1.9% up to 2.2%. Which would be good. All right, now as far as what I'm looking for during this next session, if you look at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair, we have a low that's been created, a reversal. Well, it closed up today, rather. And then we have a high point. What I'm looking to do is have that high point taken out as it was when every pullback we've had recently. If you go back and have a break of the previous high, it has consistently moved higher for a good while. So what I'm doing is looking to do that exact thing. Basically looking for this high to be broken, a buy order at the 84.17 mark, and we have a stop loss of about 118, and then we're going to put our exit about 118 pips up as well. So it'll be a risk to reward of 1-to-1. If this market starts to move higher, we're definitely going to see it move to the upside. Well, I hope that helps. And until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.